Conquering the passive voice. Negative sentences in present perfect tense. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to another exciting video on mastering the English language. Today, we're going to tackle a very important topic: forming negative sentences in passive voice using the present perfect tense. This may sound tricky, but don't worry. We're going to break it down step by step. Before we jump into the passive voice, let's quickly recap the present perfect tense. The present perfect tense combines the present tense and the perfect aspect to talk about an action that occurred at an unspecified time before now, or an action that started in the past and continues to the present time. An example of a positive sentence in active voice in the present perfect tense would be: John has cleaned the room. Here, John is the subject, has cleaned is the present perfect tense verb, and the room is the object. The passive voice is used when the focus is on the action. It is not important or not known, however, who or what is performing the action. In other words, the most important thing or person becomes the subject of the sentence. To turn the above sentence into passive voice, we'd say, "The room has been cleaned by John." Notice that the object of the active sentence, the room, has become the subject of the passive sentence. Now, let's learn about forming negative sentences in the passive voice. It's simple. We just add not after the auxiliary verb. So, in the present perfect tense, the formula would be subject plus has, have plus not plus been plus past participle. Using the previous example, a negative sentence in passive voice in the present perfect tense would be: The room has not been cleaned. This sentence means that the cleaning of the room hasn't occurred, or isn't complete. The room is the focus, not who did or didn't clean it. Let's try a few more examples. Can you turn these active voice sentences into negative passive voice sentences in the present perfect tense? 1. They have painted the house. 2. She has finished the work. 3. We have opened the gifts. And here are the answers. 1. The house has not been painted. 2. The work has not been finished. 3. The gifts have not been opened. And there we have it. You've now learned how to form negative sentences in the passive voice using the present perfect tense. Remember, it's all about practice, so keep trying to convert active sentences into passive, and you'll master this in no time. Keep up the good work, and stay tuned for more helpful videos on English language learning. Happy studying!